Damn. Are you listening?
Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna install some DBrand skin on our devices. I have a Note 8 and a Note 9, and because I'm keeping both devices, it's hard to tell which one is which. So I did go ahead and I ordered some DBrand skin for both devices. So this one is for the Note 8 and this one is for the Note 9, because I can tell they leave that little spot here for the fingerprint, so that makes sense. But so I'm gonna put the red on the Note 8 and the yellow on the Note 9. So that's what comes in there. You have the skin for the back on for both devices. You have around the camera area, and then you have the bottom pad and the top pad. They sent two of each, so that's pretty nice. Two of each on this one too, in case you make a mistake. You can change it. All you need is your cleaning cloth, which it comes with, and a blow dryer for when you're done to get all the ends fitted properly. You're gonna get the white clean cloth and just clean this out really good. Take this out. This is the back. This is around your camera. This is for the bottom pad, and this is for the top. The yellow will complement the pen really good. That's what I'm hoping for right now on there. So the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna do the camera around the camera first. Clean this out. They sent two of these, so I'm gonna peel up the camera part. Try not to hold it. There we go. Oh man, this is nice. So we have one more left, so we don't need that right now. Really nice. Let's put this on the side. We don't need those either. Make sure there's no fingerprints. Clean that out. So we're gonna peel this out. You want to touch it, just peel it back. I think we got it. And then you can remove this. So we want to put this across here, not on the side of the writing. Make sure it's the side like this, and bring this down. And I think that's it. And now we can just pull this out. So we're right behind the metal. Same thing here. It looks like if I bend it down, it's right behind the metal here. If I bend it here, it's right behind the metal. So everything looks like it's right behind the metal part. Use the cloth and push the edges down. And we're just gonna make sure the edges really nice. Bulletproof banana, it's called. Right up there, everything is perfect. So this one goes at the top. And let's see how lucky I am. I can see the front facing camera here. I'm gonna go with this one and the grill. So let's check. So we know the camera is not blocked, so that's good. Let's bring this down like this. I don't know if I like this, to be honest, at the front, but I'm gonna just leave it for a while just to show you guys. Okay. So this is how it will look when it's finished. Here we go guys, we just finished putting the DBrand on the Note 8 and the Note 9 to make sure that we can differentiate between them. They look so much alike, and this is how they look. I'm really liking the back. So I'm really liking the back. You can see the back look really good. Obviously this one is the Note 9 because you can see where the fingerprint sensor is. The Note 8 is in red. Cute, really nice. The price on this, $11.95 for the back, 95 cents for the for the camera area, the camera skin. The front top is $295. The bottom is $295 also. Guys, this is Charlie. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Damn. Are you listening?